Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix Roblox error code 273. So basically when you get this error, it means someone else is logged into your account or your account is logged into multiple devices. So just come to Roblox and then tap in forgot password and username, and then you have to enter the email with which you're logged in or your username. After that, go back to your Gmail to check the email that they sent you. Once you've done, it should be solved, and if it's still not, then make sure to go to Net Control Panel and then go to Network and Sharing Center. After that, go to Change Adapter Settings and make sure your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're doing, it's connected. Just tap on connect or disconnect, and once you connect it, it should be working fine. If not, then just restart your PC or laptop and everything should be back to normal. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.